how to play picture-in-picture mode on YouTube, or how to enable picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, PIP Mode, and today I'll guide you on how you can enable picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. Well, one of the ways to enable the picture-in-picture mode on YouTube itself is to buy YouTube Premium subscription. If you have YouTube Premium subscription, you will have the PIP mode enabled, or else you won't. Now, the other way around is if you have an Android device, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and open up YouTube. Once you open up YouTube, you can play a video on it and then head into background apps option like this. Now here, once you are on the background apps, here you want to tap and hold on it, and you can see it says drop here for pop-up preview. If you drag it upwards, now remember not to leave the screen. If you drag it upwards, it will ask you to drop up or down, but you want to take it on the middle and drop it there, and you can see now it'll be there on the screen this way. Now you can resize it, or you can replace it on your screen, anywhere on the screen, and then you can open YouTube while going ahead and using any other apps in the background. So this is the way that you can enable or play the picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.